Hi there, my name's John from Redacca, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate this image into Arabic. So we've got the English version on the screen and we're going to drag it in to the Redacca app for translation. You can see that it's put black boxes of text around all the text areas, and in this case we're going to translate everything, so I'm just going to click confirm to carry on. You've got the option of using Google Translate or a human translator. The app integrates with a service called Gengo, which provides human, verified, experienced translators to translate the text professionally if that's what you want. Or, for speed, you can use Google if you're happy to accept that it might not be as accurate as the human version. For speed purposes, I'm just going to use Google for this demonstration. Here we click which language we want to translate to. So in this case, I'm going to choose Arabic. I'll click translate and I click confirm to carry on. Here you can see that the text has automatically been removed from the image. There's nothing to clean up as the text removal has been done really cleanly. So we just click next to carry on. And now you can see it's pulled in the Arabic text onto the image in roughly the same place where the English was and in the same color. I think it needs to be a bit bigger though in this case, so I'm just going to increase the size of everything. I'm going to go with 80, and maybe this heading I might even make a touch bigger, 100. I can adjust it a little bit and drag it down a little bit. And then these two too, I'll just make them a bit bigger to stand out a bit better. And I'm going to bold them as well. Okay, let's compare that with the original. Oh yeah, looks good. It's quite close. So now, when we're ready, we just click export and it downloads to our computer. Get started with 5 free credits. Visit redacca.co.